problem is, you're trying to make perfect sense. And we don't want perfect sense. We want a hospital If this is about money, then you fail to look at the long-term negative consequences. But life is not always about money. We don't close ill-managed schools and deny those children education. We fix the schools. If you put this to a vote, 99% of the residents would vote for a full-service hospital. So why aren't you listening to us? And I'm an artist, and I support the arts, and I support innovative programs. But tell me what is wrong with this picture. Mass Boca just got $25 million to expand the museum. The Hoosick River Association, which I strongly support, just got $8.8 million. And we can't find $2 million